My name is Vanessa Walker and I'm the Australia and New Zealand editor at Houzz. Today I'm going to walk you through the trends that you need to pay attention to for this summer and beyond. We're going to start with colours. So the main colour trends for this summer is a mixture of terracotta and forest greens. Now they've emerged from the Milan Furniture Fair right through to the Decor and Design Interiors show that happened last month. These are largely a rejection of industrialisation and the machine made. They're natural, quietly robust hues that are grounded in earthy living, the embrace of the artisan and the handmade. In interiors, this clay and forest-inspired core palette is being complemented with colours that are reminiscent of Indian spices. Think mustard and turmeric yellows, burnt siennas and saffron pinks. Rounded, bold and curved forms are still going strong as the dominant shapes, as enforced time at home has led to the rejection of angles and sharp edges. This desire for softer, fluid forms is being seen in every facet of the home, from curved island benches to doweled surfaces and chubby sofas. It all reflects the wish for a gentler, calmer sanctuary. And it's no surprise that this type of soft tactile fabrics, the chenilles, the ribs and the bouclés that complement these shapes are also on the rise. These trends are all underpinned by the increasing embrace of biophilic principles in every aspect of home design and living. Biophilia is basically the science that says that our connection to the natural environment via direct nature, be it views, fireplaces, airflow, as well as indirect nature, rounded form, sustainability and calm colours, has physical and mental health benefits as well as environmental and economic advantages. Homeowners are still looking to bring the outdoors into their homes. In fact, spaces that incorporate indoor and outdoor living have been gaining traction in recent years. Users on Houzz keep searching for terms such as coastal kitchen, decks and outdoor living. An unexpected aspect of furniture designed to provide a seamless aesthetic between the indoors and out is that this trend is beginning to work in reverse, with outdoor products, durable goods that use fade-resistant fabrics, denser foam and sturdy construction, are increasingly being brought into transitional spaces and slowly edging indoors. A flow-on effect is that manufacturers are beginning to prioritise products that are more adaptable as well as environmentally friendly. Another form of adaptability is the way that interiors are responding to pandemic-related shortages and supply chain delays. Architect Rebecca Norton says that the current availability issues are leading to the increased use of colour-matched walls and joinery. That's a cost-effective approach that allows for on-site painting and last-minute colour changes, as well as flexibility after construction. A quote from Rebecca: "Colour-matched joinery is becoming more popular as clients and designers search for ways to make cabinetry more discreet and integrated, given that it is the colour that dominates." An upside is that the bold colours or matching materials such as plywoods create a singular language for a project. Given the rise in building costs and the difficulties faced by some volume builders, Michael Drage of Reimagine Habitat expects that smart, well-planned renovations will replace knockdown rebuilds. He believes that the core areas people will be addressing in their homes will be a greater focus on biophilic design, decluttered spaces and investments in air quality and consistent internal temperatures. Drage also expects that the move to be a home being a place for, quote, all things, unquote, will see dedicated spaces or multitasking areas designed for those things that we once left home for, be it a yoga studio, a work nook, an art area, a place to exercise, and a place for dedicated entertainment. This is also reflected in increased searches on Houzz this year for niche areas such as home bar, media room, library, studio and rumpus room. This desire for a house to meet all needs is hastening the return of some of the proven design elements of the past. Again, The architect Rebecca Norton singles out the return of the much-loved sunken lounge, which also fulfills our desire for a more cosseting home in these uncertain times. A quote from Rebecca: "Mid-century modernism has had a huge resurgence in the past few years, and people are beginning to be bolder with their application of ideas," she says. The sunken lounge is a key modernist feature and makes for an impressive living room. It defines a space through floor set-downs rather than walls, which is typical of modernism. Sunken lounges create an intimate space for the family or for hosting guests. After 2 years of lockdowns, people are looking to amplify these moments of comfort and coziness. With climate change front and centre of people's minds, there is also a trend towards balancing environmental concerns with visual beauty. Landscape architect James Dawson expects more bee and butterfly attracting flora, coupled with water sources and designs that complement and sustain native plants. Thank you so much for your attention today. We hope that these trends inform your work going forward. Also, if you'd like to try Houzz Pro, an all-in-one tool for marketing, estimating, invoicing, project management and client communication, it's a business management software. You can apply for a no obligation, no credit card free trial. Simply go to www.houzz.com.au/pro. Thank you. If you have any questions or if you want to suggest any webinars for us to conduct in the future, please contact us at support on the Houzz Pro page.